Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Casita Center School in Vista, California, home of the Cougars, part of the Vista Unified School District, and just got done sharing my heart here in the MPR with the AM/PM students and staff. I've been here many years, many times over the years, and it's always an honor to come back and share an important message. Today, though, we revisited the theme of positivity, and the sub-focus was be your best self and doing your best. Like one of the slides you see here on the screen, we can always give our best each and every day. Have that positive attitude everywhere that we go in our lives and with everyone in our lives. And know that true excellence, it's not always about being the best, you just have to do your best, right? You don't always have to get first place, win the race, get 100%. You just gotta try your hardest, keep giving the effort, and the outcome will generally follow, right? And the students really got that today. The pin drop moments that we did have, it really resonated in their hearts. This idea that it's easy to be positive, of course, on days like today. The sun is shining here in California outside, beautiful weather. But on the days when it's cloudy, muggy, kind of colder, rainy, nasty, it's not that easy to keep that positive mentality. And the same thing goes with things going on in our hearts, right? That we could be going through some storms in our lives inside here, but we know that those are opportunities that can make us stronger if we let them. And that's why I wear this shirt for this particular program. The words say, keep your head up. They're upside down on purpose. Because if you're feeling sad, feeling down, looking down, it's a reminder to keep your head up. To always think positive no matter what. And the more that we can do this each and every day, the more that we start to see the world in a more positive light, but we also start making it a brighter and better place to be. And it's always amazing for me, the question I always ask is, what's the opposite of success? And so many people say failure, but it's not. It's quitting or giving up, right? We can fail 100 times, make mistakes 100 times. Doesn't make us failures, doesn't make us mistakes. But if we keep trying again and again and again until we get it, that's when we can finally succeed, right? If we stop trying, then we have no shot. And sometimes the moment that you're ready to quit, if you would have just give it one more chance, one more shot, then we're going to have success, right? Maybe a miracle could happen. And speaking of miracles, what I bring up in every assembly, because it's so important to me, is the fact that we are all miracles. Like the lines on our hands, I trace one of mine here. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, once we buy into that, now it's our job to go out into this world and really shine that happiness, that compassion, that positivity to everyone around us, right? We know that we can do anything that we put our minds to, but we also know part of doing our best is also encouraging others, right? That it's the self-encouragement first and foremost, being kind to our mind, those negative beliefs, limiting beliefs, self-doubt, get rid of those, replace it with something positive. Whatever you tell your brain and heart, it's gonna believe. And then once we've really honed in on that, now it's our job to go out and try to motivate those around us, right? To lift them up even higher than ourselves. That's how we start to rise, by lifting others. So, and again, beautiful day, beautiful afternoon for my final visit of this school year here at Casita. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of 2025, 2026, a great summer break. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.